favorite time of the day. Okay guys, so my friend is over there in the other room on live, and I had an ulcer like a month ago, and I threw up a bunch of blackness and he was there. So I'm gonna pretend that I had another one because I'm whitening my teeth right now, but he doesn't know what this is. So I'm gonna pretend to throw up, and then I'm gonna be like, come here. I'm gonna call him here. Then I'm gonna pretend that I'm throwing up, and he's gonna be like, what the hell?
Yes?
I'm throwing up blood again.
What the fuck?
This guy goes back on his laughing. That's such a nice friend. Yeah. I feel really sick.
Where does that come from?
I don't know. Did you believe me? I'm whitening my teeth. I'm so good though. Did you believe it? You did.
That's a good one.